Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Millie, and on today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to knit the horseshoe cable. It's also called a wishbone stitch and also a double cable. I'm demonstrating this over 8 stitches, but you can also do this cable over 12 stitches. So this cable is very beautiful, but it's not as hard as it looks, and you can use it on different projects. For example, you can use it on a simple knitted hat like this one. I added the cable detail, even though the rest of the hat is plain, but I added this little detail to make it look beautiful. And so you can use this cable anywhere in any project. So to be able to do this cable, you will need to know how to do the knit stitch, the purl stitch, and you also need to know how to do the basic cable. You're going to need your yarn, and I'm using 4-weight yarn. I'm using double point knitting needles, but you can use whatever needles you have. But you're also going to need a cable needle, and this is the kind that I am using. So let's get started. So I'm just going to work over the side stitches. And then once you get to the first part of the cable, you're going to slip, using your cable needle, you're going to slip the first 2 stitches onto your cable needle and then hold them in back, and then you're going to knit the next 2 stitches, and then slip those stitches that are on your cable needle, slip them back to your working needle, and then knit them. And you have made the first part of your cable. For these next 4 stitches, you're going to slip the first 2 stitches and hold them in front, and then you're going to knit the next 2 stitches, and then you're going to slip these 2 stitches back to your working needle, and then you're going to knit them. Okay, and you have done your cables, and then you're going to continue with the pattern. And then you're gonna knit, in order to see the cable clearly, you will need to knit a few more rows, but your pattern will tell you how many rows to knit before you have to do the cable stitch again. On this demonstration, I'm doing 6 more rows and then repeating the cable stitch. So I'm going to keep going, and then I'll show you again. And we are back after working 6 rows. So I'll work to the beginning of the cable again so that I can demonstrate that for you. So we are going to slip the first 2 stitches and then hold them in back, and then knit the next 2 stitches. And then I'm going to slip these 2 stitches back onto my working needle, and then I'm going to knit them. Okay, and then next I'm going to slip these 2 stitches onto my cable needle, and I'm going to hold them in front, and then I'm going to knit these 2 stitches, and then I'll slip these 2 stitches back onto my needle, and then I'm going to knit them. Okay, and then I'm going to work to the end of the row, and I'll work one more row so that you can see what it looks like again. I keep forgetting that those are knit rows on the wrong side. So we work through. So you see the cable is forming nicely, and that is how you do a double cable or wishbone stitch or horseshoe cable. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy knitting!